Hey guys, good morning. Tom Wilmot here, and I'd like to share with you what's going on here with our NQ, our Nasdaq eMini H contract this morning. Recording this on December 28th, which is Thursday before New Year's weekend. And we've been pretty successful with our preordained Fibonacci bands and support and resistance levels. We can see that the 64, 50, 40 area has been important as a support zone, and up here the green line at 54, 56, this area right here has also been an important area for us. I won't get into what happened overnight, but basically we sold off again after the market opened, and we came back down to test yesterday morning's lows as the tax selling, I guess, continues into the New Year weekend. And I'd just like to quickly review what our bands look like. We have multiple moving averages so that the bands headed downward with a 12 EMA up to a 24 EMA. The purple band, I believe, is a 34. And then the dotted white line, this one right here, is what I call a T3 Tilson. And that gives us a little bit of long-term view of what's going on. So anyway, as we can see that about 10 o'clock, a little before 10 this morning, we came down, we rested on our 64.56 fib band here. The support line was put in place a day and a half ago, so we're not making it up here. We held, but then we fell through, and we went all the way back down and collected ourselves once again in this lower support zone. Now, as you can see, a white dot means that the 12 EMA has crossed back up over the 24 EMA, so at that point we have kind of a buy zone in place. We went up here, we took out this top level of the fib mid zone. We came back into the bands. This was kind of a little sucker play. This was premature here. But obviously when we came back and rested on our top level, this 64.47 yellow dashed line, there was a compression of the bands, as you can see, and the entry would be here with a slingshot higher and right back, and now support, which was over here support, becomes resistance at the 64.56 level. Once again, we've at 11:20 East Coast time, Standard Time, in the frigid cold weather, we have come back and tested this particular area again. But now with a blue dot, we're very careful not to get too excited about going long here, simply because we would like to have all three of our indicators aligned together. And that would mean a compression of the bands, pull back into the bands, support here at the fib level. This was the upside of the bands, and then notice also here, down here, the stochastic was very much oversold. The white line overcomes the red line, and we have a nice move to the upside, and that was worth on the order of 10 points, just that one particular area. So hope that helps explain our strategies, and we'll keep posting on Twitter as best we can. If I don't speak to you in person, have a great weekend and Happy New Year.